Okay.
We're at the most complicated elevator of Westfield Century City. It serves Macy's, Eataly, parking garage, and mall. All four of those, one elevator. You guys come up?
Going up, yeah.
What's up?
Going up.
Oh, here, we'll take the next one.
Yeah, we'll take the next one. Wow. Wow, how rude. I started a new video.
Okay, no worries. So this elevator serves Macy's, Eataly, the mall, and the parking garage.
Okay.
All of that in one elevator. It's the most confusing one in the whole mall.
Oh.
So I'm gonna push M2. Watch these doors close.
Oh.
Macy's.
Nice.
Is that weird or what?
That is weird.
And then this door on level 1 is Macy's, and that door is the mall on level 1.
I see.
Mall.
Going down.
Oh, God, they pushed Macy's side too.
They did?
So, wait for it. Wait for it. Macy's.
Going down.
Nice. So cool.
Is that nuts?
It is.
T4. Going up.
We're gonna go to 5 and get off at a Macy's floor.
Yes. 2. Pink elevator.
Oh, nice. I'd like to see what the old Macy's elevator looked like.
I have a video.
Oh yeah, I want to see that.
I'll show you.
5th floor. Going down.
Oh, that's so classic.
Isn't that crazy?
It is.
Cool view too.
It is. It's a nice view.
Second floor.